Hey guys, it's Jada and welcome back to another video. So before I start this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and click the bell button so you can be notified when I post videos, and comment down below #notification squad so you can have a shout out on my next video. So guys, for today's video, I'll be doing Life of a Slime Scammer. So let's get on with this video. Let's go. Okay, let's look on my account and see if someone ordered from me. What? No one ordered squishies from me? Well, that is so weird. What? There's this new trend called slime? Let me try it out. Let's see if it will give me a lot of money. Fine, I'll do the shop. Okay, I'm done. So I just need to wait for an order. Oh, a slime order. That was really quick. It only took 30 minutes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I am not allowed. Let's do a video because it's a new slime order, so I'm obviously gonna do a video. So yeah. Hey guys, it's me, Slimy Slimes, and for today's video, I just got a slime order, so let's see what she wants. Okay, so the first thing that she wanted was the strawberry crunch. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay, so here is the strawberry crunch. Well, it's designed by Stickers now. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's sticky. Okay, let's see how nice it is. It's pretty good, but it's kind of sticky. Oh my god, it's really sticky actually. But it's really good. It is quite sticky though. I don't know if I'm gonna give this away or keep it. I'm gonna keep this. I can activate this and it's really nice slime as well. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Let's see what type of slime do I have. Almost same thing as this. I have this slime. Sort of looks the same. Let's see. Also designed stickers. Oh my god, this is so terrible. Actually, no, it's not. It's really nice and stretchy. Not that clicky. Let's see how nice it looks. Pretty good, but it leaves this like gross residue on my hands. It's quite nice though. I'm gonna give her this. It is sort of crunchy. Okay, I'm gonna give her this one. It smells quite terrible. Hey, that's her first order. Next is Super Jumbo Butter. Okay. Oh, here it is. Let's see, how is it? I can already tell it's gonna be really good. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh, look at this. Okay, see how it spreads. Oh, it's too good. Let me not talk so I can do ASMR. I'm definitely not giving her this one. I don't have another Jumbo Blue though. Who says I'm gonna give her this? Perfect! Another sticker, I guess. This is also a butter slime. It's not blue, but it's still a butter. It's not full butter. It's a bit sticky. It smells terrible, but it has a nice texture, a pretty good texture. It smells terrible, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna give her this one. At least it's better than this one. The color's not that pretty also. It's a bit sticky as well, so it's obviously that this is for her. Her second order. Third order is her green tea mocha. Here it is, green tea mocha. Guys, this is such a good slime, I think. It smells really good. It smells exactly like green tea. It's not that great though. It's quite hard. It's like blue thing on it, which is disgusting. It has some hairs in it as well. It's not like a real slime. It's hard to stretch, but it does stretch. I think I'm gonna give her this one because I don't like it. Maybe she will like it. I don't know. I really want to give this away because this is not. No, this is really bad. It's not even real slime. It doesn't even poke. Like, guys, look. There's like a light poking, but it barely pokes. So this is her third order. That wasn't bad at all. Third order is Crystally Slime. Okay. Now Crystally Slime. Let me find that. I don't have any more Jumbo Crystally Slime, so I'll just get this store-bought slime and has a mummy sticker. Everything has a Halloween something sticker on it, and this one has a mummy on it. And it's sort of clear. It's sort of foggy, but it's clear. Has a little bubbles. I'm not gonna play with it because nah. And it's putty as well, not slime. So this is perfect. Okay, next order is purple fluffy slime. That was really basic. Let's see if I still have or if it's really bad or really good. I don't have purple fluffy slime, but I do have this purple foamy slime. It's almost exactly the same. Oh, but it's too good. Not really good, but like it feels amazing. It smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. I can't get over this one. I am keeping this. Wait, I have this one. It's sort of same purple, sort of. I don't know, but it looks gross. It's just iceberg slime. Ready? This is great. perfect. It's so hard. It does make really good bubble pops. This is perfect. It's really stretchy. It's really pokey. And it's really, really soft. Okay, this is perfect for her. So happy. Okay. Next thing is cocoa butter. This is technically not cocoa butter. Ooh. Guys. Quiet, please. Oh. It's not butter. It's fake cloud slime. Not the nice kind. It is sugar cubes. It leaves this like really gross residue on your hands. It feels so weird. But the color is like cocoa. So it's pretty good slime without the residue on it. I'll just give her this one. It's something. So I'll just give her this one. No biggie. So yeah, I'll just give her this one, and this is all her slimes. It's a lot, which is I'm really happy, and yeah. So we got her crystally clear slime. I don't know. Her jumbo blue butter slime something. Her strawberry crunch. Her green tea mocha. I forget what this is. Purple fluffy slime. And her choco butter. So guys, I'm just gonna mail this to her, and you'll see her reaction also, which is yay! Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share again, and